Alright guys, I figured while I'm on a roll, give it one more shot here. This is, I guess, an EY padlock. I don't know. But what's special about it is that it has dimple pins and regular pins. And a wide open keyway. So let's see if I can get this guy open here. Sometimes she's super easy to get open. Sometimes she's a real pain in the ass. Feels like everything. Let's see. Sorry, I'm trying to keep my hand out of the way, but giving this lock a reach around from behind an iPhone 7 is not the easiest thing in the world. Sorry, iPhone 6. I'm not special enough to have a 7. Let's see here. Come on now. And we got her. So, there you go. EY padlock opened, dimples and regular pins. Let me see here. I'll find the key. Just a second. I probably should get that together before I even start the video. Here we go. Wait, nope, that's the wrong key. Here's the right key. Okay. As you can see, the dimple cuts are right there on the front side, and there are those. The other side looks like it's just flat. It's one of the ugliest keys ever. Focus. Flip it back over here. Yeah, I think it's got 5 dimples and 5 regular pins. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see if I can't come up with some more here soon.